Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can get this lily of the valley plant and grow a garden. So guys, to get this plant, we need to go to the summer shop. You need to go to this location, the summer harvest location, the location where you can submit your fruit to the summer harvest event, and then you can talk to Georgia, and then you can select show me the harvest shop. All right, and then to get the lily of the valley seed, you need to get the summer coin. You can get the summer coin if you join the summer harvest event, and every 1,000 points you will get one summer coin. And to get this plant, we need 10 summer coins if I'm not mistaken. And unfortunately, now it has no stock, so we need to wait until it's restocked. Okay, you need to keep checking the summer shop to get this rare plant and grow a garden, guys. Okay guys, and that's how we can get the lily of the valley plant and grow a garden. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.